Is that him making that noise?
No, that's the turkey.
Oh.
Oh, he's getting out to his mama.
She wanted to go see Becky. I'll pick her up. She's gonna get cold.
Get cold. She's got fur.
Her udders don't. Stop biting me.
Turkey's biting him in his foot.
Let me see Becky.
How's her
again.
beak? Never grow, huh?
No.
But it can eat?
Yeah.
That's such a crock of crap that they do that.
She's gonna go back out there.
I can't believe they don't get cruelty to animals.
What are you doing? She wants to go out there with your mom.
Ma, she said.
Ma.
Poor baby. Oh.
Look, she's gonna try. She's gonna try it again.
And then the other one's gonna want to go.
No, Looney's too smart for that. She's hell with that.
No, she's letting that one make the path. She says, "Go ahead and go. I'll follow you."
Yeah.
She says, "There's snow on my ass." Snow on my ass. Get it off. It's cold. She's shaking her tail. What the hell?
So how many inches did you guys get?
What, 30 something?
Was it? Dang.
Oh, was it? 30? 30.
30 friggin' inches.